All right, everybody. So today is Tuesday, and you know what day that is? We got the beef dino ribs going. That's every single Tuesday and every single Friday. But today, these things have just gone viral. So we're doing these avocado bacon bombs again today, but we're doing them with the turkey. So, and then we added a little bit more cheese. Erica went ahead and put some more cheese in there. But check these things out. So these are ready for today. We may make more, we may not. So we've got a few more. Actually, Erica's shaking her head right now. We got more that we'll put on. But look at the cheese. Cheese is coming out of them. So these are gonna be, these are ready right now. Actually, we're gonna leave them on for a little bit longer, get some of that crisp on that bacon. But that is there. And we also have our beef ribs. So these are now done. Look at that. So these are done. I could pull that bone right off of there if I wanted to. So we're gonna go ahead and get those put on the warming box, and then I wanted to let you guys know. So October 6th, I'm doing a class. I'm gonna teach you how to do these briskets that we cook here. So I'm gonna show you how to trim them. I'm gonna show you how to inject them. I'm gonna show you how to cook them, what temperatures, when to wrap, what to wrap with, how to keep them warm, all those things. And then my buddy Chad Sessions is, so mine is at 12:30, be on stage. It's at the Rockwall Rib Rub Run. You can go online, you can buy tickets right now. And then we also have Chad Sessions gonna be on the stage at 2 to show you how to do beef ribs. So I'm gonna go eat one of these here in just a minute. We're gonna leave these on about 15 more minutes and we'll check it out. And as soon as we do, you'll get to be there with me. So we'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so it's all done. And we're gonna take these things off up here. I need to put them over here to keep them warm. Where they at? There they are. All right. Okay, let's take these off. Let me get this shut down here. Oh, dear Lord, that's hot. But look at this. So avocado bacon bomb. This is, so many people have asked for these, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it. Check it out. So this one we did with turkey, and come on up here, try to get as close as we can, show what's in here. Good crispy bacon. Look at that.
Oh, Lord.
Look at that. All right, so I'm the lucky one that gets to dive into this. So I'm gonna cut that again because it's just a little too hot. I don't want to burn my face off. I'm gonna make this bite count. This bite's gonna count. We're gonna get all the goodies in there. Oh my gosh. It's so hot. So check it out. Oh, this is so hot. But that looks so good. Oh my gosh. All that creamy cheese, all that turkey in there with this bacon and avocado. So let's give her a shot. Oh my God. I love the turkey so much more. That is so creamy and so good. So good. Look at that. And it feels like I ate a lava rock that came right out of the belly of earth. And it's now simmering in my stomach. But hey, it was worth it. It is so good. But y'all gotta come in and get some of these, and they are on the menu right now for today. Burnt ends, avocado bacon bombs, and so yeah, y'all come in here and check these out. We'll see you today.